Once you enter your travel details and click search, this results page appears with all available flight options. Now start by checking details like the airlines, the departure and arrival date and time, the flight duration and layover, fare class, limit of baggage and availability of seats. Then click on flight details, select fare breakup and check everything mentioned properly. Now select baggage and check the baggage details. Then check the fare rule. Now refer to the cancellation and reschedule charges per pax carefully and then close. On the left, you'll find filters to refine your search by commission, new fare and full fare. Then comes the price range and depart time. Then check for the number of stops as per the traveler's requirements. After that, check the fare policy and fare tags. Then appears the search by airline section. Select the airline as per the traveler's wish. Then click on book to proceed with the booking.